YouTube, it's your girl Flawless Winnie here back with another video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I achieved this look, half up, half down with the bangs. Okay, clock it. This look is so like easy to do from home, and I have fun doing this. Honestly, like I have fun doing this hair look. I have fun doing this makeup look. Girl, a time was had, okay?
Visible. I usually let it slide, but you do it every time. You apologize again, then blame it on being a man. We pull back up to the house. Now you gotta hit my mouth. You say I need to chill. This time you might be right. Can't even enjoy my meal. I done lost my appetite. What a waste of currency in this economy. I usually let it slide, but you do it every time. You apologize again, blame it on being a man. Let me show you how easy it is for me to be the girls you like. I switched up my preference. Now you ain't even my type. Out the corner of my eye, I see some average guy staring at me with his girl. Just another lazy eye. I could never be with him. He's too easy to be with. He don't have no loyalty, and my program is strict. Boy, you's a window shopper in the grocery store, watching the women pass by. Boy, you's a window shopper, checking out the legs and thighs. Boy, you's a window shopper. Your face card and bank card still decline. Boy, you's a window shopper. Your time is up. I'm back outside. We pull up to the grocery store, grab what we came here for. I spy your wandering eye as she's walking down the aisle. She had on skin tight gym attire. Honestly, the fit was fire. Ain't usually insecure, but you made me feel invisible. I usually let it slide, but you do it every time. You apologize again, then blame it on being a man.
Breezy Wave is like slowly trying to creep into like one of my favorite organique hair textures. And everybody always like, oh, it only lasts a few days. What do y'all be doing? I'm convinced y'all be doing stuff at night that makes your hair don't last. Because I be putting my bonnet on, and oh, you know what, let me show you how I sleep with it actually. Okay, so this is literally what I do. So I have my bonnet. It's a long bonnet, and I actually wash my bonnet like it's laundry. So I hope y'all be washing y'all bonnets, otherwise it's gonna smell bad. The sweat from all night, the hair products, everything. So yeah, I wash my bonnet like every week. I guess you should wash it like as much as you wash pillowcases, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, so that's why it's looking all like it's new. It's not. So I would actually leave these on, and then I would tuck my bangs behind my ear like so. Alright, and then take the hair, split it in two, and split this in two, and literally just twist it. Like literally just twist it. And I'm doing like a rope twist, as y'all can see, not just a regular twist, because I'm trying to make it sure that it will hold in the twist. I know I keep looking at myself over here. I know y'all over here. I'm looking over here. Y'all over here. But yeah, so this is how I would do it. I would put a rubber band like this far down, and then do the same thing on this side. And then take my bonnet. Mine actually has the little tie around part, because I know all bonnets don't come with this. I got this from my local beauty supply store, so yeah. And go like that. And mine got the wide band too, because then it will be comfortable on your edges. So just basically just take the hair and tuck it in like so. And then like tie it. I crisscross it in the back and bring it around to the front like this, and then tie it. It does not come off. And then in the morning, obviously, take it off. You just lift it up. Easy, very easy. And then just fluff it out. So when y'all be saying Organique don't last, I can't relate. And besides, like, to be honest, like, to be very honest, the most you probably have to do is re-flat iron the bang a little bit from being behind your ear. But yeah, this is a low maintenance style. That little clip keeps it in place.
But you do